To make this puppet head from cereal boxes and cardboard, we are going to need a few materials. Take any box and you will see that there is a flap in the middle, and this flap you will measure around 4 centimeters and cut it out. This becomes the main frame of the head. Once you're done with this, you have to turn it around like this and staple it on both sides. So this is the basic structure of your head, you can see. Now once you're done with this, what you need is the center of the face where the nose and the mouth will be fixed. This is a strip and I staple it on the other side. Try not to staple in the center because this will be the place where we are going to drill a hole like this for the finger. Turn it around. It's no problem if it's not reaching. You can just fold it inside like this. Now this center line of the face is ready. Now we need one more strip, not in the center but a little higher for the eyes and the eyebrows. Where the this looks like a T. Once this is done, it would be nice if you could fix another joint here so that we have a better definition of lips and cheeks. And fix it here. Yeah, if you see how the structure is forming. Okay. And once this is done, the next thing that you need to do is get a nice nose line for her. I cut around 1.5 centimeter. Fold it in between like this. Then I make it like a triangular shape like this. So when I do this, it automatically gives me a nice shape of a nose. And then I have to staple this on this frame out here. I'm stapling it. A new character is forming. Give it a nice shape so that it blends with the face. Okay, so that's the nose of the puppet. If you want, you can fix eyes right now so that you know how your puppet is going to look. You can use bindis, you can use just sketch pens to color, or if you have googly eyes, you can stick googly eyes too. Next you need to work is on the puppet's mouth. and I'm coloring it. And you can either cut it or you can just staple it like this and later cut it. So I think it's a good idea to staple it first, because I get more surface area to staple and to make my things look neater. And I'm going to trim out the edges and give it a nice shape like this. Your character is now starting to look like somebody. Now you can also give it a forehead, just the way I gave it to this puppet. Now to give it a forehead, what do you need to do is, you just need to cut out a 1.5 centimeter strip like this, place it near your head, and with a pencil or a sketch pen just mark the area where your eyes are and mark it like a little bit of a U shape like this. Cut out this U shape, these two shapes which you have marked with the sketch pen, just cut them out like this. Alright, now align it to your face and staple it. So I'm going to give it a little bit of shape already, so that stapling would be easier. I think this much will be fine, and then I'm going to trim out the rest of the edges. So now my doll has a forehead, my puppet has a nose, has a mouth and a forehead. Now that my head is ready, let's work on this area where I'm going to place my index finger to manipulate the puppet. You can use a paper punch to first make a hole, or you can just do it with the scissor if you want to. After punching out the hole, enlarge the hole Now when you fix it on your index finger, it should fix very comfortably. Okay, now that face is done, next we can start working on the hair. You need to just cut some thin strips, 4 to 5 strips. And then with a pencil or a sketch pen, bend it like this on one side and then on the other side. Then gather 3-4 pieces like this and staple them together. And then finally fix it on the head. So now your puppet head is ready. Hello everyone. So are you all ready to make a puppet like me and tell stories? Bye bye.